Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
Oh, come on, don't. I'm too old for that. It is time. It's time. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Steve? Daddy, over the lightning round. Let's start with JJ in New York. JJ.
Booyah, Cramer.
Booyah, JJ.
Mitek Systems, electronic verification for banking. Your thoughts?
It's good. It's a good company. I mean, I've always felt like, why didn't someone buy it? It's not that big. It'll be better for another company's portfolio. But it's okay. It's in the right place. FinTech, I call it. Let's go to Bob in Missouri. Bob.
Professor Cramer, thanks for taking my call.
Oh, my pleasure.
I bought a stock in November, and it's run up pretty well. And I want to know if it's time to ring the register. GrowGeneration.
GrowGeneration just spoke that with the Philadelphia Eagles just yesterday. Here's the problem. When GrowGeneration came on, the stock was at 14. We had management. I really liked him. Some short sellers against him. The next day it came out, I did the exact same piece. I said, you got to buy this stock. This may be the stock for cannabis. Maybe the stock. 14, 15, well, it's at 63. No. I'm not going to recommend 63. I've recommended 14, 15. Anybody who bought it at my suggestion, I want your bases taken out tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Let's go to Clay in Montana. Clay.
Hey, happy birthday, young man.
Well, thank you, sir.
And, hey, after buying SpotX and they have a $70 price target, is Magnite, MGNI, a buy or hold or sell?
No, I love the Rubicon guys. I always loved them. They put that thing together with that new property that from Denver. It is such a good idea. SpotX, this is going to be an absolutely terrific combination. And even though the stock was down very badly today, I'm going to tell you, buy. I need to go to Bill in Kansas. Bill.
Hello, Jim.
Bill.
I've got a little story for you, and you're 100% responsible for it if you want to hear it.
I got time. Where am I going?
I don't know. Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm having Chipotle tonight for dinner. Wife's out of town. What's going on?
3 years ago, on vacation, listening to your show, you talked about Qualcomm. Next morning, I pick up a few contracts. 4 days later, I'm checking my portfolio. It's up a couple. I'm looking at the news. It's got an upgrade and some news. Make a long story short, in 15 minutes, it was up $9 a change, and I got out of the contracts, and it's 100% due to you. So
you're very kind.
It's been 3 years, but I still wanted to thank you tonight.
Bill, you're very kind. And Qualcomm is a very good company. Mr. Mollenkopf just retired. I like him very much. Success is good. They are hostage to this problem with foundries. They can't get the chips, and because of that, they're going to have to be in the penalty box for a full quarter. They will come out of it, but you go with the Skyworks Solutions, not them, because Skyworks builds their own foundries and would never let themselves be hostage. That's why I like Liam Griffin so much. Fran in Pennsylvania. Fran.
Hi.
Hi, Fran.
This is cool. Thank you.
Okay.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
Westport Fuel. I want your thoughts on Westport Fuel.
Okay, all right, so get this. Literally 9 years ago this week, I was meeting with a group of truckers, and we were talking about why they didn't go to Westport and switch their engines from really dirty fuel to natural gas. And they all said there's not enough juice in the Westport engines. The Westport Chemins deal will never work. 9 years later, it finally happened because we finally reached a tipping point where people are sick and tired of really dirty oil. That said, I think it's short term, and I would not get too greedy because it's just Cummins driving it and a couple of very big companies that want those trucks. The stock's had a big run. I'm not recommending buying it at this level. Let's go to Tim in Missouri. Tim.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. Happy birthday, man.
Oh, thank you.
Your show.
Thank you.
I'm a first-time caller. With many people continually dumping their satellite subscriptions for these new streaming platforms,
right?
I wanted to hear your thoughts on the entertainment company with their Q4 earnings coming out in early March. The company is called Fubo.
Oh, everybody loves Fubo. There's nothing I can do about it. I signed up for it. I dropped it immediately as soon as I wanted to watch one particular game of Green Bay. I don't think I've been with anybody. A lot of people like that. I do not think there are so many better stocks than that, but I know it is part of the YOLO ride, so I'm not going to be against it if you actually own it. And that is not, oh my! Yeah, can you imagine? This is like the best birthday I've ever had. I got the Moderna, new life. and I have the greatest team in the world. Thank you very much, and stick with Cramer.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.